Hello friends, welcome back my channel. I hope you are doing great, learning this language great way. Yes guys, if you are a beginner, if you are a learner, and if you are a homemaker, and you will try to speak, but you are fumble, you are stuck, you are lots of question in your mind, and how to improve myself and what to do. You are using this CV application, you are using this Joshkill application. Yes, this application is lots of benefit. You are speaking practice because every day you will talk to the strangers. You will talk to the uh, you will talk to the strangers, and you are day by day you are improve your English skill. Yes guys, but every day you are 30 minutes 50 minutes you will talk to the strangers. Yes guys, first time lots of question in your mind, how to uh, uh, how to talk to the strangers, how to the questions. Yeah, how to the questions the strangers. Yeah, but your mind is a blank, but don't care. Your express your thought. Your mind is a lots of feelings. You express your thought. Your English is a right, you are wrong, but you will talk. Talking is a most of important. Speaking is a most of important. Every day you are talk to the co-learners. Every day you are talk to the strangers. Day by day you are improve your speaking skill. Yes guys, and you improve your vocabulary. Yes guys, vocabulary and your confidence level is a grow. Yes guys, this is the most of important because your English is a right or wrong, you have lots of grammatical mistake, but you will speak. We are the speak. Your confidence level is your confidence your boost your confidence level, your grow your confidence level. But first time you are stuck, first time you have lots of questions, but don't care. You are speak, and you are using this CV application, you are using this Joshkill application. This application is a lots of benefit. You are speaking practice. Okay guys, you will try, and you will using this chat gpt, and you will using this CV application. CV applications are lots of features. You will not talk to the strangers, you will talk to the AI. Yes guys, you will talk to the AI, but first time you are fumble. Don't you are fair, but you will try. Don't give up. Yes guys, don't give up, because you will give up, you will not your work your communication skill. Okay, thank you watching this my video is like and subscribe. You can do, you can speak, keep learning, keep practicing. You I will meet your next video. Okay, thank you watching this my video.